Whether you're just starting out or ready to scale your social media business fast, finding the right social media management platform can make or break your business. I hopped on a 14-day free trial by CloudCampaign and found some shocking insights that I'm going to share with you today. If you stay all the way till the end, I'm actually giving you one bonus tip on how you can use this tool to generate more money passively inside your social media business. Hey, my name is Mil and I own a multi-six-figure social media agency, and I now help social media managers do the same. Now let's talk about CloudCampaign. The very first shocking insight I found about CloudCampaign during my 14-day free trial is their approval process. You and I both know how important the approval process is for our social media business and our clients. So this is the very first thing I tested when signing up with CloudCampaign. Now, they make it super streamlined and easy to get content approved by your clients. You can share your content calendar with a simple share link that you can share with your clients, and they can review, approve all the content inside of one software. In the past, I've had lots of trouble with the approval process, which is one of the reasons we went back to a manual process instead of ClickUp, because it wasn't streamlined. Usually what I would see in other social media schedulers is that they would have terrible previews. Clients couldn't tell whether it was an Instagram story, whether it was a reel, whether it was a carousel, and CloudCampaign does all of this. And clients can see the content, click on it, and see full files inside of the software itself. They can leave comments, they can hit approve, and even when they hit approve, it automatically gets scheduled inside of the software, inside of CloudCampaign. So this makes it very easy and streamlined for you and your team, if you're working with multiple people, to get content approved and out there. If you're already getting super excited about CloudCampaign, then make sure you sign up for a free 14-day trial, just like I did, that I will drop in the description below. If you do happen to sign up, you can take 15% off your entire subscription with them. The second shocking insight I found about CloudCampaign during my 14-day trial is their plans and pricing. Now, the first thing you will do once you sign up for a trial, you will choose a plan that fits your business, right? And now what I've seen in the past with many other platforms and social media management tools is that they will charge you based on the number of accounts you have. So let's say you have one client with 5 different platforms. With CloudCampaign, you are only getting charged for one client workspace. So you do not get extra cost when having to add multiple platforms for your client, which makes it easy for you to scale your social media business fast. Now, we all know as social media managers, your subscriptions, your cost, all the expenses you have in your social media business will add up. So you do want to be mindful of plans and pricing when looking for a social media management scheduler, and CloudCampaign has a very competitive edge with their pricing. Now, if you're just a freelancer getting started as a social media manager, then the freelancer plan should be sufficient for you. They have no hidden costs. They're very clear about their plans and what exactly is included. So take a look at each and see which best fits your client roster and how many people you manage, and go from there. With the freelance plan, you get one client workspace, which is basically the dashboard you get for one client, and it includes 7 different social channels. And again, it's all within one cost, so they're not charging you for any extra channels. You really get a full client workspace suite within that plan. Now, remember that no matter what the cost may be of the social media management platform, you want to include that in your packages and pricing as a social media manager. That way you make sure you're covered and are creating a profit based on the services that you're charging clients on a retainer service basis. Are you wondering how we onboard all of our social media management clients? Then make sure you check out my other video where I go through my step-by-step for onboarding clients within my agency. The third shocking insight I found when trying their 40-day free trial of CloudCampaign is there interactive insights. Now, what do I mean by that? If you know me, you know how big I am on data, on reporting, on proving ROI from our social media efforts. And Cloud Campaign has interactive analytics reports that you can share with clients. So as you can see here, you can have an entire report and clients can actually click through the report as if it's interactive. So again, you do create your own report through their dashboard, but clients can click through to kind of have an interactive experience with the data, which is super, super useful. And it's so easy to share because you simply use a link just like you would with the content calendar that you can share with clients. You can embed it in an email when you send it over, and they have all their insights in an overview, and you look professional. Now, if you're ready to start using Cloud Campaign and get those types of insights that you need to prove social media ROI to clients, then make sure you sign up for their free trial, and you can take 15% off your subscription with the code MILU15 that I will drop in the description for you below. The fourth shocking insight I found during my 14-day free trial with Cloud Campaign is their recommendations. So they have an integrated tool within their software that's called Recommendations, where you can see the latest trends based on topics that you can search for inside the software. So it will give you recent up-to-date articles, Google searches with everything that you need to know. Now, I was pretty mind blown by this because I know a lot of tools have social listening capabilities, but recommendations like these, I think, is a no-brainer for social media managers to have. We obviously do a lot of research to create content, schedule it, and imagine everything being all in one tool, just like Cloud Campaign did. I think this feature is genius. Now, what social media scheduler are you currently using? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Now, as promised, I'm sharing my very final shocking insight from my 14-day free trial with Cloud Campaign that can actually make you money. Yes, you heard that right. This can make you money. So one very distinguished feature that Cloud Campaign has is their capability to white label. Now, what do I mean by that? You can create your own custom branded agency dashboard for clients through Cloud Campaign. This means that you can host people through Cloud Campaign software, but brand it as your own. So as you can see here, it would look like your complete own dashboard. Now, how can you make money with this? First, you can, of course, be a Cloud Campaign affiliate, but secondly, you can use this for other services such as DIY, coaching, whatever service you may have where people would need a scheduler that you can also oversee, but host for clients. This is where the white labeling from Cloud Campaign would come in. Again, I got really excited about this feature. Haven't seen it elsewhere, and it's a great way to make extra money and scale your social media business. The first instance that I came up with when hearing about this feature is that you can offer coaching services or a strategy standalone, and then you can lead people into your white labeled social media management scheduler that gives you access to then oversee as an add-on, check out their content and see how they executed the strategy within the social media management tool. So I think this is very worthy to check out. I'm pretty mind blown by it, and I would love to see how you are going to implement that into your business. Now, if you are ready to get started and scale your social media business, then Cloud Campaign was kind of a no-brainer for me, and I wish I heard about them sooner when I first started out in my social media business. Now, if you want to get on their free trial, just like I did, drop to the description below. If you're ready to sign up, make sure you use my code MILU15, where you can get 15% off your annual subscription. If you found this helpful, you want more video reviews like these, then make sure you drop a comment below, subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video.